You are selling on Amazon, but you are not sure how much profit you are making. Amazon fees can silently kill your margin. In this video, I will explain you how to calculate your exact profit step by step with all fees explained. By the end of this video, you know that what is FBA fee, what is fulfillment fee, what are storage cost, and how to calculate profit step by step, and what are the mistakes you need to avoid, or how you can fix your low margins in any product. So first of all, this is our product here. This is our product regarding a pool chemical. So first of all, there is a petrol. There are two type of fees. One fee is low priced FBA and one fee is above priced FBA. Low price FBA fees lies under $12 or some in some categories under $10. So then you will be charged referral fee as 8%. So the different fees which include in calculation of a profit is referral fee, FBA fee, and then storage fee and fulfillment fee and long-term storage cost. And this optimization, Amazon optimized shipment fee, automate split fee. So basically how to calculate. So normally the referral fees calculated like 15% of any item's selling price. And FBA fee is calculated differently, but on average it is also like 16 to 18%. But you to get actual FBA fee, you need to go to Amazon Seller Central, list your item, and then you can find that what is the actual FBA fee on this product. That's the best way to check. You see here Amazon fulfillment $3.25. So this is the best way to check this. The other fee is storage fee, and the storage fee which changes 6 months to 6 months. And FBA fee also changes 6 months to 6 months. For example, if I go January to September, the storage cost changes. If I go October to December, then storage cost changes. So you need to take care of this. Like while calculating, you need to make sure that in which month you are calculating, and so you need to calculate the exact cost involved. Now here in the shipment side, you need to know that, like, are you going to use optimized shipment split? Are you going to minimum shipment? What is minimum shipment? Meaning that you are choosing a single warehouse to send all of your products. Partial shipment, you are choosing 1, 2, 3 warehouses with respective side, like west, central, east coast of USA, and then you will be sending your products. So this way, the inbounding cost changes every time. You need to pay the placement fee. You see here. But if you use Amazon optimized shipment split, then your inbounding cost will become zero, and Amazon automatically distribute all of your products to the nearest fulfillment centers. That's how you will save this inbounding cost. That this is also an extra cost for like low priced items or like a medium priced items. But for those items which you have great margin, you can use minimum split or partial or whatever it is suitable for you for shipping, like USPS shipping. So for my product, I can use anything because I'm making a profit of $69 on this product. So even I use minimum shipment split or partial shipment, it is okay for me. But for other sellers, especially for those who are doing wholesale, for those people, you need to choose this very wisely so that you can get exact calculation, and then you will save yourself from losses. So now I'm going to show you that how to calculate it using a sheet, like what you need to add in the sheet and how to calculate it. So this is our Amazon FBA tracker on which we calculate all the financials of a store so that we know if it is profitable or if it is in a loss. For example, this unit, we have 48 units in stock, and the purchase price of the unit is $3 one unit. And then the shipping is like from your warehouse to FBA warehouse. That is 50 cents for us. But for each product, this is different, and that you will get from USPS website, or like when you get a shipping label from USPS, then you will understand this. Then afterwards, this prep fee, the prep fee 0.50 cents. This is like nowadays, this is not true. But at that time when we were used to send it, like the warehouses we are working with, we are getting this same price. But for FBA, normally nowadays the charges are $1 minimum. And FBA fee, this is again the exact value. You need to copy the exact value from your seller central. List the product, then you will see the prep fee, add dimensions and weight. Without dimensions and weight, you will not get any FBA fee. So check that exact FBA fee, take it down, and then referral fee, it is for the products which are above $12. It is 15% off sale price. So let me make it 15%. This is a automated sheet. So that's 15% of the sale price. Now your total cost for 1 units are $10.98. You're selling it at $13.98 sale price, and then your profit is $3.01. Now there is one, two things which you missed. Like for example, if this is a private label product, let's say, so you have missed PPC spend. So you should add PPC spend here to calculate your exact fee. Let me add it like in the shipping column. Let's say PPC is $3 and $3.5, including shipment to Amazon. Then now my profit is $0.01. And yeah, now again, I missed one more thing, that is storage fee. So the storage fee for this is small item, so this could be around like 50 cents somewhere. So let's add it over here. So you see, after adding every cost, storage fee, shipping, FBA, PPC, everything, then my product is giving me a loss of 0.49 cents. So this is how you will calculate your exact cost, and make sure you calculate this before you list the item or before you make any purchases, so that you can avoid any kind of you can say losses. Okay, so now let's say there are some mistakes which people usually do while calculating this fee or while selling their product. For example, the product is dimension is 3 into 3 into 3, and the product is 1 pound, but you're using a big box. You're using a big carton to send those items to Amazon. Then that carton will take more space. So that will be calculated a dimensional weight. So that's why your storage cost will increase, your cost of shipping will increase, and your product will go in loss. You need to select a very suitable packaging. The only thing which you need to take care of while shipping product to Amazon or to a customer, whether it is FBA, whether it is FBM, is you need to make sure the product is reached safely to the customer. So you need to select package wisely. Sometimes people who using 3PLs, then those 3PL people, they just like to charge you for the packaging, they just add random packages and they ship it and then charge you extra. Like for example, I recently worked with one of the 3PLs, and I was shipping orders, very small items like shampoo bottles like that. So he was using to charge me $1 each time for the box. Then I told him, stop that, just ship it in an envelope safely and bubble wrap it, because I don't want to pay $1. Why would I pay $1 if it's safe to ship in bubble wrap and the bottle is already sealed and it can reach safely to customer? Then why would I pay extra cost? So these are your costs, because in order to win on Amazon, you must know your numbers. If you don't know your numbers, whether you start with $100,000, whether you start with $10,000, whether you start with $50,000, you will eventually fail, because you do not know how to calculate your fee. You also do not know how to reduce your fee. So these are some of the things which we need to take care of while calculating these fees. So now if you have any questions, and if you want help, or if you want to know like how to calculate exactly, if you want my automated sheet, you can comment below and we can discuss this further. Thank you.